Jan Fleming, James Bond said, "The world is not enough." But we don't have any other words we can take care of and also to protect for our children. We know that the industry continuously growing. In the same way, the energy demand. So we know that 70% of overall industry energy consumption belongs to motor. I would like to tell you today that we have a solution for you. So let's get deeper and save some energy. So in Innomotics, we have a various motor solution from the well-known and proven asynchronous motors in IE4 efficiency class, which is available up to 1000 kilowatts. This is a various usage across all the industries. We also go through the synchronous reluctance motors in IE5 efficiency class, and to the new addition to the motor family, the permanent magnet motor, which is also in the IE5 efficiency class. But for many of you, the decisive factor across those motor technologies is the energy efficiency. So the sustainability forces us to develop more and more sustainable and more energy efficient motor solution. And the IE5 is currently the most efficient and advanced efficiency class. And the permanent magnet motors have a significantly higher energy efficiency values, not only in nominal point, but also in the partial loads where it really excels. And the PM motors are not only about the energy efficiency. Also, towards the green future, we should mention that the possible contribution of this motor technology towards decarbonization. The CO2 reduction during the production phase and also during the use phase is one of the possibility how we can spare the energy and also reduction of the CO2. So the big numbers behind me just showing that we are using the permanent magnet motors in the same power range as asynchronous motors, but using 44% less material. This is really a huge reduction of the CO2 towards the sustainability. Also, regarding the less power losses during the use phase, thanks to the energy efficiency values the motor can provide, we are sparing further energy consumption and also the CO2 production during the use phase. It's not only about that, that's way more in this technology. So here you can see the top 12 features of the permanent magnet motor. So you can get a constant torque and complete speed range. You can have a high torque at low speed. You can have an overspeeding and get the constant power up to 150% of the nominal speed. There is a possibility to high overload the motor. So this is really important. And to get, for example, even more, the power factor of the permanent magnet motor is significantly higher, which really helps the utilization of the power within the complete system. So how to continue with this technology? It's way too easy. So I'm going to show you, for example, one value behind this feature for the customer. We are able to go and reduce up to 2 shaft heights the motor. So if you compare the asynchronous motor and permanent magnet motor, we are able to really reduce the space, the weight, and this is exactly the real values for the customers. So if you compare, for example, what we are showcasing here on the SPS fair, we have shaft height 280, and we can contain from 90 kilowatts up to 250 kilowatts in this shaft height. If you compare the asynchronous motors in IE4, you will get only up to 110 kilowatts. So this is very huge difference. When we are comparing the shaft heights, here only one shaft height brings 20% of overall speed reduction. So it's helping the space demanding applications and the machine builders to help and fit into the overall frame. And what is also inside, the overall weight is 40% lower within the permanent magnet motor if we are talking in the same power level. So from this point of view, I think we all are now ready to make a permanent impact. So go for sustainability, save some energy, use all those values to really boost up your applications and processes, because I think it's really time to redefine the reliable motion for a better tomorrow.